We've come to this show for various reasons. Of course, it's to be a part of the industry, we need to present ourselves. We are here to make new partners. We are also here to meet our business partners from across the country, which visit the show every year. It gives us an opportunity once a year to meet with all our friends from the industry. And we are also launching 50 new products this time at the show. So it gives us an excellent platform to tap various advantages from one show.
I think this ITPO show is more government prawns, and they're organized by DGs and police departments and CISF. So I think it is a good entry and exposure to the government verticals. Okay. Also, I just see it is good effort by Mr. Vikram Sehgal and all SPGI groups and everyone. So by their effort, I think it is also more commercialize the shows, and the more and more visitors are coming, footfalls. So it has not only been to only now government as a sector, but it has started catering to every industry. So it is good value addition, I feel. See, it is I think in vertical wise, government vertical and others, this is giving the very good value addition. Okay, and it is good platform to showcase here, so that we get good exposure in the certain particular verticals. So it is good exposure, surely.
Very nice.
Good show?
Wow.
You had your audience?
Achha.
How do you find the show?
Fantastic.
You had good visitors at your booth?
Already had 2,000 visitors.
Wow. And did you close any big deals?
Close the deal with Reliance and Pepsi.
And what about your plans for next year? Are you planning
Same booth, same size.
Wow.
Already booked, advance given.
Yesterday, I thought it was a good show because we did get a number of visitors, very interested visitors, right from the defense also, Coast Guards. There were people from the NSG who had visited our stall. Then quite a few people from the SWAT of the Delhi Special Police. We had visitors as well from various states, representing various states, the anti-terrorist squads. Quite a few IGs were there. So it was overall quite a fruitful day yesterday. Yeah.
Very, very happy. I think the show this year has developed into a much bigger show as compared to the earlier editions of this show. Not only me, but all the exhibitors here and even the visitors have really appreciated the show very much. A couple of things which have put us different from the earlier editions of the show and from the other shows which happen in India. Some of the significant ones are that this year the footfall has been very high. This year we have had a very healthy mix of visitors, including government, private, consultant, end users. We have a recorded data of all these visitors, and we are going to share this data with each and every exhibitor who has participated in this show. We feel that the data of the visitors is the property of the exhibitors who have spent their hard-earned money on this show.
The objective for us was to give a message to the Indian users that there are a lot of technologies, new technologies available in the market which are cheaper and better performing. So I believe that particular message has been delivered well through this type of presence over here. So it has been a good experience till now. The target audience for me was MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, mainly all the agencies associated with MHA. So we met a couple of them yesterday. There are two suggestions from my side. One, it should be from Monday to Thursday maybe, during the weekdays, that will be better. And the second suggestion is when we are talking inside the hall, the sound should be lesser.
So you are the best judge being from the media. As an organizer, I would say that I haven't seen a better security expo anywhere in the last 5 years. This is the best and the biggest exhibition being organized by a government organization. And I think with the help of colleagues like you from the media, with the dedicated team of exhibitors that we had from entrepreneurs of the industry, that is the SPGI, and the loyalty and the commitment shown by my exhibitors, I am fully satisfied, and I think a wonderful job has been done. We have created a dent in the market in the exhibition industry, and we have proved that ITPO can organize the best security exhibition in the country. So the response has been very good from the Ministry of Home Affairs. I mean all the central paramilitary forces, CRPF, BSF, ITBP, NSG, SSB, Prime Minister's Security, because this is one exhibition which is offering a plethora of equipments. I have 91 companies participating. I have more than 300 brands and more than 3,000 products from the world over. Now, whether you talk of explosive detectors, mine detectors, robots, protective gears, the bulletproof jackets, access control systems, you talk of scanning systems, perimeter security, I think every product required by the state police forces who are fighting insurgency in northeast, who are fighting militancy in Kashmir, or who are combating the left-wing extremism, they need everything. I have a latest technology on bulletproof vehicles. There have been officers from all the paramilitary forces and even state police forces visiting, and the exhibitor's statement is testimonial to that fact. I have been under tremendous pressure satisfying my exhibitors, giving them the stalls of their choice. There has been a wonderful response. I haven't seen a response like that in any of the exhibitions, and the exhibitors are after me. Let me tell you, I've already sold out more than 80%, and I am not being able to meet the choice of every exhibitor, because more than 50% of the exhibitors of this exhibition have increased the space which they have taken this year. And let me tell you, the Knowledge Summit organized by Security Today and the show reports, the pre-show reports and the advertisements have really helped us to grow. And I would like to mention here that, as promised to all my exhibitors, I have had a registration of more than 3,000 business visitors, though about 1,000 of them very senior high profile visitors from the police and paramilitary have visited without registration. To the best of my knowledge, this data is not shared by any exhibitor world over. ITPO is here for promotion of trade. We are committed to the security industry. We are looking towards the growth. That is why when I took over the show, it was 700. It went up to 1100. Last year it was 1700. Today it is more than 3,000. And under the dynamic leadership of Mrs. Rita Menon, our CMD and Executive Director, I am seeing 6,000 in the next year.